Hello, students, and welcome to Camp Akanda. This is going to be the first kind of technology thing we try. You're going to make a website using Weebly. Now, to do that, you're going to first go to students.weebly.com, and I'm going to give you your username and password that's been pre-generated for you already. Um, you're going to put in your password and username and password. And when you get to this site, you're going to think of, ignore that, you're going to think of a subdomain for your site, like a title for it, something that gets people to want to come or understand what your site is going to be about. So think of something clever but short. So I'm going to use power to the people. Oh, so that's 2018. Sometimes if you have a phrase that is pretty popular, people might be using it, so you can use a number to go with it. So that's available. So I'm going to click continue. You see it says available right there. And then you see now I have this kind of open space. There are some hints and tips you can use over here. And basically, there's some pages up here you should pay attention to. This is the build page where you are, the build section, I should say, where you can use all of these kinds of tools over here to help create your site. This is the page for the section to create pages. This is the section to choose a theme. And you don't really have to worry about settings. So the first thing I want you to do is click on theme. So in your theme, you could just simply change the colors to a color you like better, and sometimes that changes the surrounding colors. Like I clicked on green and it became black. Not really sure why that happened, but I would definitely encourage you to go here to choose a theme, and you'll see some options come up. These are ones for online store, portfolio, personal, and event. So I would encourage you to use click on personal tab, and you scroll down and just see what are some of the sites. It says show old things. There's lots of different, none of these are responsive. So we're just going to pick one of these up here. So maybe you would pick this one, and you can go over here where it says choose. If you want to preview what it might look like, it'll show you kind of what it would look like. In real time, you can click cancel. You don't like that one, and you can say, I want to look at this one. So I'm just going to choose this one. So then your site has the theme, but all of this image and all those things would change. So I would say right away, once you get the theme you like, you change your site to the same name thing that you named it. So power to the people. Change the name, and then you should find an image. So usually it says edit background. So you're going to click on, you're going to want to click an image. You're going to add image. Now, in theory, you would have gone and found an image that you like already. So just for the purpose of, well, actually, I'm going to show you how to do. So we're going to click on power to the people. We're going to click on this one for right now. So I'll show you what it looks like. You can select that. If you wanted to change it, you could also go to another space to make, to find images. So you can click on power, and then click on images, and you might, oh, these are pretty good images. So I know this is the name of a TV show that I don't really like. So I would click on this, I click on the image I like, then I go to save image as. Save image as. It's gonna be Power TV logo. It's gonna be on my desktop. I'm gonna click save. And then when I go back to my website, I'm going to click cancel because I actually don't like this up here. If I liked it, I could put save. If I don't like it, I'm going to put cancel. And I'm going to try it again. So edit background. I'm going to image, add image, and this time I'm going to upload an image. Upload from my computer. I remember what I called it. I actually called itself Power TV logo. Click open. It's uploading. And there we go. Now you can't see the words that I put on here and that I called it. So I'm going to actually click save because I like that. Now I need to select this. Now you notice when I select, that means grab and highlight all of the words, this options come up. So I'm going to change the color of my words, my letters, and see if it can be better to read. Oh, that's still not very good to read. So maybe you might have to experiment a little bit. So try yellow. So that's a little bit better. Huh. This might just be an all the way around bad idea in general. Let's see if I can make it lighter like that. No, that's not good either. So you might have to play around a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. I might leave it, put it up so you can see it maybe a little bit better. That's not the best idea to leave it like that, but for right now, I'm gonna leave it. Then I want you to go and gonna add a title and click here. Again, you get some options. You would say, this is my site about, and let's say, strength. No, about love in the Black community. Okay, if you click on here again, you can see that this could be bolded. You can change, you can underline it or italicize it. You don't need all of those. In fact, I wouldn't probably have any of them. And you can change the color of the words. Maybe you want to make them green. You can make it bigger. Make the text bigger. You can go like that. Oh no, you can't because this is this is the heading, so you can't do that. If you don't like it, you can click undo. Whatever you just did, you can it will undo it. Right? If you want to put more text, you drag and drop. So now you can put smaller text. This is the smaller text. Okay. Again, you can make click right here. You can make bullets. Yes. No. You can make numbers. Maybe. You can also undo that. See, whatever the last thing is you did, it will undo it. If you were like, oh, I actually do like that, I want to keep it, you can put it back, redo. You can change the alignment. So you want to put everything like in the middle, or if you want to put everything to one side over here, or if you want to put the things that you want to have back to where they were, over that side. You can do these things with the site. So I would say encourage you to make a front page, make a title, a front page, put some text, and then also an image. You want to have an image on your front page. So you're gonna again, so when you click on here, you can upload an image, or you can upload an image. So let's get a different image. Let's say love. Oh, this is a pretty good one. So remember, save image as. It's going to my desktop, and I'm gonna change, upload image, upload from computer, and love right there. It's gonna upload, and there I have a sign. Now, for today, we're gonna be working on this some more, but for right now, we're gonna stop. I want to make sure all of you have done at least, well, before that, I want you to add a page, go over here to pages, and you're gonna do plus. You can do let's do a standard page for right now. So new page, you're going to add your new page. You're going to call it examples. And then you're going to leave that right there for right now. And then I want you to come over here and push publish. And this is when you're going to say this is your subdomain you made again. You're going to click continue. Publishing, and then your website is published. So if somebody was to click on this, they would find it. So I want everyone to get to this point, and then we'll come back.